Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add thank you button to Shopify. So first, go to your thank you page builder by clicking the thank you pages drop down as seen below. Click customize on one of the thank you pages to customize. Then open the left area or right area, click add section. Now select call to action. The call to action menu gives you the option to edit in this picture. When you finish adding the widget and editing, click save. Once you're done, here's what the customer will see on your thank you. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.